How to log in into Waltham Forest Council tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this video I will show you guys how to log in into Waltham Forest Council tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Waltham Forest Council tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. Click on the second website that says sign in. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now on this page you can see some sort of information on the red text, so you can just read it or ignore it. Now coming to the login part, just zoom in that box, and here if you haven't already created an account you can tap on register option. But assuming you have already created an account, enter all of your details like username and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget password option. So just enter all of your details and simply click on sign in and you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way you can log in into your account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.